My wife was making peanut butter crispy cakes today, and I managed to persuade her to share the recipe with you.
The equipment you need will be a set of scales, a medium-sized pot, a large and medium bowl, a baking tray, a wooden spoon and a measuring cup. And the ingredients are 5 cups of Rice Krispies, 1 cup of golden syrup or corn syrup, 2 ounces of Marge, 12 ounces of crunchy peanut butter and a large bar of chocolate. First of all, I weigh out my margarine. And add it to the pot. Then I measure my cup of syrup and pop it in the pot with the Marge. Weigh the peanut butter and put to one side for use later on. And finally, measure out the Rice Krispies using the same size cup used for the syrup into your large bowl. Put the Marge and syrup on the cooker at a high heat, stirring occasionally. Keep stirring until the Marge has completely melted. When it comes to the boil, lower the heat. And then add the peanut butter. Mix thoroughly, turning up the heat if needed. Add the peanut butter mixture into the Rice Krispies. And mix through till all the Krispies are completely coated. Tip out onto a lightly greased baking tray. Then smooth down using the back of a spoon. And put it in the fridge to cool. Break the chocolate into a medium bowl. Put a wee drop boiling water into a pot and sit the bowl on top. Heat till the chocolate has melted, taking care not to get any water into the bowl. After removing tray bake from the fridge, spread the melted chocolate evenly over it. Then return to the fridge until the chocolate is completely set. Mark the portion size you want and then cut with a sharp knife. This is perfect, served with a hot cup of tea or coffee. If you found this interesting, please like and subscribe, and I'll share more delicious recipes soon. Thanks for watching.